After the Wish Music Awards, Stel answered all the questions thrown at him. One of the questions was about the direction he plans to take for his upcoming second solo album. Stel shared that he has already proven his ability to hit high notes, and it's now up to him whether he will explore a new style or continue with this approach which has become part of his trademark.
Stel, sa first album mo kasi, you went out of your way na mag-experiment tsaka yung gumawa ng mga bagay na hindi in-expect sa'yo.
Yes po.
Ito, sa second album, itong sa second album na gagawin mo, tingin mo ba itutuloy mo pa rin yun or parang ibibigay mo naman yung gusto ng mga gusto tsaka in-expect ng mga tao sa'yo?
Ganda question. Actually, nandun po talaga ako sa phase na kailangan ko patunayan ko pa rin na mataas boses ko, parang ganun, nasa ganung isip ako. Pero I think dahil nakita na ng tao yun sa akin, I mean, may choice ako to let go of it, pero hindi ko naging trademark na rin siya somehow, kaya ko siya gawin. Pero hindi naman po ako nag-close ng door. I'm always there, nakikinig po ako sa mga sinasabi ng tao, and mga naririnig nila, sinasuggest nila. So, very open naman po ako, and kung magkakaroon man po talaga ng possibility na mag-release ng something, why not?
However, he also mentioned that while his solo projects will remain a priority, the group's focus right now is on their last EP for their trilogy series, which will feature 6 songs, just a fraction of the many projects they have lined up for the year.
Do you have any solo plans for 2025?
Actually, marami po talaga. But, kanya na sinabi ko po, nasa group ako, and mas pina-prioritize ko talaga yung group. But, syempre hindi mawawala yung solos on the side, so dapat nyo pa rin abangan yun. But, mas abangan nyo po yung gagawin namin this year, dahil super dami.
It's also worth noting that Pablo was noticeably absent from the Wish Music Awards despite winning one of the major awards as Artist of the Year. Many speculate that he is working on something big for the group's highly anticipated comeback. Adding to the excitement is their recent partnership with Live Nation, signaling the start of their grand return as a group. Are you excited, 18? Comment your expectations in the chat below.